Okay, so hi dreamers and welcome to the first ever with my voice actually. Oh my gosh. So there's this glitch with Animal Jam right now and it's not, oh my gosh, you can't hear my voice. And it's like when you get here, just wait. You go to here, right? It only shows these and it takes forever to load. Like this. It takes a really long time for it to load. And yeah, so it's just a pain in the butt to do. So I'll probably have to do the updates tomorrow after I get off from school. So yeah. And it just takes forever to load, and I've been waiting seriously since like 20 minutes, literally, to do this video, but I have to go to bed right here in a few minutes. So yeah, it's not really 5, guys, that's 3 hours behind. So yeah, so I guess that's it for this video then. Bye.